Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. So my background is Basil cardstock. And this is my brother-in-law, my father-in-law, and then my brother-in-law's friend. And I do not know who the other girl and guy are. I'm going to guess that that's his roommate. The girl is his roommate, and the guy with her is her date. And of course, Theo has to come. And I'm using a star that I cut with my silhouette. So, yay. I'm just inking the edges of everything while he's taking up my space. So I'm trying to get him to go. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Oh, I went to go get my, that's where I went to go get the super glue and put it on that Velcro there. And those are washi tapes from the November kit. And I didn't get much accomplished yesterday. I moved the cuttings from cutting down all my hollies to my side yard in my gonna be butterfly garden. But first I have to clear rid of all the stuff cuttings now. And then I came in and did some process videos, voiceovers and whatnot. And then I'm like, oh, you know what? Let me go lay down because I got up too early. And I didn't wake up until, and I don't remember what time it was, 12, 1 o'clock? Oh my gosh. I woke up, it was like 6:30. And my husband was like, you ever going to get up? And I'm like, oh my gosh, really? I guess it was just much needed sleep. And then I was just sleepy the rest of the night. He made pork chops at 8 and went back to bed. I just go too much, and I don't listen to my body. Just like, I really want to just do nothing, but I really have a lot I want to get accomplished over my spring break. Otherwise, it has to wait till summer. So, and I promised Mateo I would wait on my power washing. I might do some. Without him, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm doing that Project Life card, that journaling card is from the November kit. Yeah, the November kit. The embellishments kit was out of stock before I got my order in, so I had to order the Project Life kit instead. That's where that card come from. And then the die cuts I'm using are, of course, Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy. And then the chipboard stickers. Oh, well, hold on a minute. And I'm using the clear stickers. So the clear stickers are Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy, as well as the die cuts. And then that star pattern that I have behind my photo, that is Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy too. Everything on here is Keeping Cozy, except for the star and the cardstock, my background. I'm going to try to add some more. I'm trying to use it as much as I can. And this is out with the old and in with the new. And this is them out on his porch, I'm guessing. He's got a balcony in his apartment, and I'm guessing that's his balcony that they're on with the city behind him. That's the only place you can go and find Bugattis and Lamborghinis and Ferraris. And wild iguanas. I was like shocked when we were at the Miami Beach. I was like, an iguana just jumps out of the tree, and I'm like, So I'm gonna put down some of the clear stickers there of the band of the little graffiti, I guess. Is that graffiti? Graffiti? No. Whatever that is called. When you have the decorations. Alright, so I'm just getting that, and then I'm going to do my title, which out with the is American Crafts Astro Thickers, and in with the is Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy, and old is Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy Metallic Puffy Alphabet Stickers, and new is American Crafts Delightful Stickers, which I believe I do my title off camera, so anyway. So you won't see me do that. But you will see it in the pictures as there. So I will be back with more. And I thank you all for watching, or those of you who watch. And when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.